2019. Me. Guess who's dyeing their hair today? So many people are about to be in this comment saying, Vanessa, you're so stupid, what the fuck is wrong with you? Like, honestly, if this goes wrong, I'm shaving my head, I don't care. I will legitimately shave my head if I mess this up. I actually have a box. This has been with me for like a good year and a half. I don't know where it's at actually, I lied. I know I have black hair dye somewhere inside of my cabinet, so if I end up fucking this up, I'm just gonna dye my hair back black and we're screwed. Some of you may be wondering, Vanessa, what the fuck is wrong with you? Why are you dyeing your hair? It's been almost 2 years. Like, you can keep going. You don't need to do this. Stay natural. But I'm gonna be real with you guys. I feel like a boring ass bitch. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I love to change my hair color. Back in the day, like 2013, 2012, 2015, 2016, your girl was always dyeing her hair a different crazy color. Even 2017, like I was always dyeing my hair. And some people may be saying like, oh, Vanessa, but you could just get a wig. Well, guess what? I don't wear whack ass, cheap ass wigs, and I don't want to spend $700 every time I want a different hair color. Guess what? That's fucking expensive. I don't know, some of y'all may be rich. I don't know, y'all might be bougie out here with the coin. But hey, if you got that coin, then you could buy me a wig. I'm sick and tired of having to spend a rack on a wig. Like, if I'm gonna be honest with you, this was 20 bucks. I'd rather do 20 bucks. And I'd rather damage my hair forever. So let me show y'all what I picked up. So first I got this little like squeegee bottle. I was with my mom and she's like, you need one of those. And I was like, no, I was just thinking of like pouring it on my head and mixing it in. But she's like, stop being ghetto, it's $1. I got a argan oil intense hydrating mask that I'm gonna do immediately afterwards. By the way, if you're new to my channel, last February 2018, I shaved my head completely bald. So my hair is completely virgin right now. I do not have any sort of dye. The only hair products I have in right now is just a little bit of gel because I attempted to do my edges today, but we're gonna wash that off. I don't know why the fuck I bought this. I have like 4 bottles of 30 developer or 30 volume developer underneath my cabinet, but we went ahead and bought it anyways and I'm too lazy to return it, so we're going to use it. And then dun da 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 da, what color did your girl end up getting? I mean, if you saw the thumbnail, then you probably know. But we are going to be going red hot. The last time I had my hair red, I was 18 years old, I believe. So it has been a minute. You guys, this was my OG. I used to use different colors of this in high school, but this was like my OG brand. Like, however, I am not about to turn into the color of this box. I hope I do not, because if my hair ends up being this red, I'm gonna genuinely be pissed the fuck off. Color on the little like hair tap thing was giving me more of a like burgundy reddish kind of tone, so we're gonna see what's about to happen. So it's telling me to use 2.5 fluid ounces of this developer. So because I am using 2 boxes, I'm gonna go ahead and put 5 fluid ounces of... I didn't do good in math. Like, y'all, if I'm gonna be honest with you, I failed algebra my freshman year of high school. Like, and I'm not even embarrassed about it. Like, I genuinely failed algebra, like, F, 43%. This is why I should be spending the money to go to a real salon. And now it says to mix in both of these, so... I'm so excited, but I'm so scared. Everybody is being so negative about this. Like, all of my friends are like, don't, Vanessa, don't, you're gonna regret it, you're gonna regret it. So now I'm feeling a little, like, self-conscious. I'm feeling like this is gonna go really wrong just because so many people are telling me not to do it. Ruthie's on my side though, however. She said like, as long as you're not like using bleach, you're good. And I guess it comes with these little like, red intensifier tube things. I remember this stuff getting all over my kitchen, Why was I dyeing my hair in the kitchen? I remember this getting all over my bathroom and not coming out. It is literally like a red gel thing. Ew, it looks like blood. It even says on the packaging, like, do not open this without gloves on your hands. Hi. The other one in there. I will make sure I get all of that shit out. I didn't spend a whole $1 for nothing. No drops going wasted. Then we're gonna go ahead and add, should probably stop squeezing it as I fucking twist it. We're gonna go ahead and add, fuck. Oh my god, it already dyed my fingertips. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting towels all over the floor because, and I'm also gonna change my shirt because we're not about to ruin my favorite Rick and Morty shirt. Let me go ahead and mix this first before I start doing all this other extra shit. Totally shake it towards your face. I'm pretty sure that's how you're supposed to do it. No! Shit! Fuck! Oh my god! Are you kidding me? Oh hell no! And then I have to clean my necklace. So I went ahead and moved everything out of the way, and now we officially have towels literally everywhere. We have our glowing red hair dye. it's time to start applying it. For virgin hair, it says to saturate the links and ends, staying on for 20 minutes and then add to the roots for 10 minutes. But like, how the fuck am I gonna like do all that? That's like too much. Like, what do you mean don't apply to the roots? Like, bitch, I'm just trying to. So for this part, I think I actually want to go live on Instagram just to like see people's reactions. So I'm probably gonna speed through the part of me like actually putting it in my hair, but right now I think I'm just gonna divide my hair into 4 different sections. I'm using like old crusty little rubber bands because I don't want to like get them all dyed up and stuff. And then we're gonna cut this part in half. Too much right now. For what? Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do what they said. I'm only gonna do it up to like probably like right there. And then for like the final 10 minutes, I'll put like the rest of like the dye throughout my hair. So I'm about to do that throughout my entire head. Let's go live and see what people say and get started. No going back now! Everybody's saying no! Do not! Someone said you really want to be bald forever. I do. How'd you know?
Broken pieces, that's how you left me. Open pieces, tell me why you left me. Stolen feelings, I was so empty. Open season, everybody on me. A lie, a lie, a lie, a lie, a lie. Never thinking about nobody else. Now you want me back to yourself. Now you want me back to yourself. I'm tired, 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 tired. I ain't coming back to yourself. Now you want me back to yourself.
Okay, y'all, it has officially been 20 minutes. I'm not sure if it's working or not, but we'll find out when I wash my hair. So now I have to put it throughout the rest of my hair, basically, and then leave that in for, I think, an additional 10 minutes. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this in the roots. I guess the reason why I had to wait is because your roots die a lot faster. Somebody told me that on Instagram. That is pretty common knowledge, but we know me. Why am I like low-key? Like, I thought this was gonna be a fail, but like, it's actually kind of coming out okay. I'm gonna need you to chill out. Like, what the fuck? I'ma have to pump brakes on these hoes. Real shooters, we don't have to pump brakes. Pump fakes on these. I'm actually trash. We're gonna leave it at that, and then I'm gonna go back in and put more. Come see about me. I'm going bald, boy, can't you see? Oh my god, my edges, bye. By the way, if you're wondering what happened here, don't wonder what happened there. I already feel cuter. Like, if I'm gonna be real with y'all, I already feel like so pretty. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and put some that on the bottom of my head, just in case I didn't. I'm like genuinely scared I like missed a part. Got it on my fucking cabinets again. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna hurry the fuck up so I can clean that. I'm just gonna yeah. Yep, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a plastic bag on my head, set a timer for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash this out, and then I'm gonna show you guys my glamorous results. I am kind of nervous. If you guys can see my roots right now, they are giving me flaming hot Cheeto. Right now I have the hair mask on. I'm gonna leave this in my hair for like 10 minutes. Oh my gosh, this video is very simply Nessa 2015, like the way I'm recording it. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out of my hair in like 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna let my hair air dry, and I'm gonna show you guys the final results, and we'll see how my hair turned out. And for the final result, boom! I literally can't see anything. I am actually considering cutting my own bangs. Like, I'll obviously like measure it out and make sure I don't cut like around here, but like I kind of want to cut bangs, because look, if I have bangs, I could actually wear my natural hair out because I can't see anything, and I'm also not gonna wear it like split like that. But here's the final result. This is what Red Hot basically did to my virgin hair. My hair is officially not virgin anymore. Like, that's crazy. So I am very, very glad that I actually followed the directions, because when I like initially like still had the dye on and I was starting to wash it out, it looked like my roots were like flaming hot Cheeto. If I included that clip, I hope I did, from my phone, but like my roots, I was actually scared that they were gonna be very bright, but They are perfect. Like, it matches the rest of the hair. This was a success story. I said a lot of people on live were saying, Vanessa, why don't you go get it professionally done? I got the exact same result for 20 bucks at Sally's on my own. The main thing that is making me so happy right now about this color is that because it's not that boring brown, I can actually see like all of my individual curls. Like, I don't know, I just feel like they stand out a lot more now because it is also a lighter color than what my hair was before. So now that we have some color, I feel like myself again. I'm actually ready to start wearing my... What is this hair doing in the back? Do you see this? It's like, this is what I mean by my hair's random textures. Like, I have like a straight piece of hair in the back of my head, like why? So thanks for coming on this little journey with me. I was honestly scared that I was gonna make a huge mess, which I mean, I did ruin 2 of my cabinets. I was scared I was gonna make a big mess, or I was gonna completely like flop this and my hair was gonna just like rip out. Like, and my roots, as you can see, like my like edges, which look, I have more edges on one side than the other. But as you can see, like they're not like super bright, like, oh, I'm just happy. Thanks for joining me on this random little video, but that's it, and I will see you guys all later. Bye! Sorry if I disappointed you by burning my hair and destroying it, but it is what it is. I think I cut too much, Marcus.